Not iPhone SE2, but iPhone mini. The compact smartphone will get a 5-inch screen, SoC A12 Bionic, IP67 protection, 4K support and wireless charging. The price of the smartphone will be from $849. Rumors about the successor to the compact iPhone SE smartphone, which fans have been waiting for a long time, appeared on the web again, but Apple still hasn't announced the device. According to recent information, the new product will be released under the name iPhone mini, and not iPhone SE2, as previously reported. At the front, the device will look very much like a smaller iPhone XS. Its screen will have a familiar notch for the front camera system. The design of the back panel of the novelty will be similar to the iPhone SE. In terms of size, it is expected that the iPhone mini will not differ much from the iPhone SE. The smartphone should come in 3 color options: silver, gold, and space gray. Also, the smartphone is credited with protection against dust and moisture in accordance with the description of the degree of IP67. iPhone mini should receive a 5-inch Super Retina OLED display with a resolution of 2080 x 960 pixels, a single-chip A12 Bionic system, a 12-megapixel main camera with an aperture of f/1.8, which will support recording 4K video at 60 fps, and 1080p video recording at 240 fps. The front camera will be equipped with a 7-megapixel image sensor, and the lens will have an aperture of f/2.2. The smartphone will support the second-generation Face ID facial recognition system. The battery capacity will be 1860 mAh. The smartphone will support wireless charging. Out of the box, he will receive the iOS 13 operating system with support for night mode.